Good morning. This is Rachel Swaim again, and I had brief exercise 11.6. It's the stockholders' equity section of Martinez Corp. Balance sheet consists of common stock, $8 par, with $1,024,000 and retained earnings $410,000. A 15% stock dividend with 19,200 shares is declared when the market price share is 18. So the first thing it wants us to do is show the before and after effects of the dividend on the components of stockholders' equity. So the first thing we have is stockholders' equity, then we have paid-in capital, and then we have common stock. And this is where we have to start calculating. So common stock is given. Right here, it's given to us as the common stock. Now to find the after dividend, we have to have the common stock, and that's plus the 19,200 shares times 8, and we get the 8 from the 8 par, equals 1,177,600. So that's where we get the after dividend. Now we go to the paid-in capital in excess of par value common stock. We have none that is given to us. So in order to find out the after dividend, the first thing we have to do is we have to find what we need to multiply the par at. So we're going to take the price per share, which is, I put in the wrong number, 18 minus 8, which equals 10. Sorry, that was a typo. Then you're going to calculate it with the shares times 10, and that's where you get the $192,000 for the paid-in capital of the par common value for after the dividend. The next part we have is total paid in, sorry, another typo, in capital. That was given to us again up here. And so in order to find out the after dividend, we take the number above, which was the common stock that we got after dividend, plus the paid-in capital of the par common value common stock, and that comes to $1,369,600. So our next section is retained earnings, which is given to us right here. And so the after dividend, we're going to take the common stock minus the shares times the price per share. And that gives us $64,400. So to get the total stockholders equity, we're going to add the paid-in capital and the retained earnings, and that's how we get $1,434,000. And then with the after dividend, we take, again, the total paid-in capital and the retained earnings, and of course, we get the same number. So when we get the same number, we know that we're correct. So for Part B, we're going to do outstanding shares. In order to find outstanding shares, we take the common stock divided by the 8 par, which we get 128,000. The after dividend, again, we take the common stock divided by the 8 par plus the 19,200 shares, and we get 147,200. This problem took me a little while, just having to remember how to do all the calculations, and I figured this would be the easiest way to show everyone exactly how I did it. I hope this helps, and I hope everybody has a great week. Talk to y'all later.